Okay, so if you wanted to customize your lock screen from something boring like this to something more like this with widgets for Google Maps, why is there no Safari widget? I'm gonna give one of you lucky guys this 6-in-1 charger. Stay tuned, I'll let you guys know how you can win this. But for now, let me show you guys how you can customize your lock screen. So first thing you want to do is press and hold on your lock screen. You're going to tap customize right here. You want to customize the lock screen, and you can also change your wallpaper on the home screen here as well. Let's change the lock screen first, and then I'll show you some tips on this side. So tap on lock screen right here. So here you just have like the plain widget. So let's tap on add widgets, and for the traveler, if you commute a lot, let's say you take the train or the bus, you're definitely going to need Google Maps to know where you're going. So this is the Google Maps widget, Google Chrome widget. Why is there no Safari widget? There needs to be a small Safari widget, or am I missing something? We need to look for that. If you listen to music a lot, you can add the Spotify, because you'll be able to add 4 right here, or you can only add 2. Google Maps, Google Chrome if you want to search for something quickly, Google Maps if you want to find someplace quickly. Right now we're going to also add your mail, because you may want to check your mail, and you'll definitely need to see what the weather would be. So those are my 4 widgets for the traveler or for the commuter. Right now you're gonna go ahead and hit done, and then we're gonna customize again, but this time we're gonna tap home screen. So there's 2 options here. You can blur it if you want. Tap blur and it blurs it, gives you that effect, or you can tap blur again and it removes the blur effect. I'm gonna go with the pair and we're gonna blur it. You have a solid color, you have a gradient, or you have photos where you can use or choose one of your own photos. And if you're on iOS 17, you can use live photos. We're not going to do that now, we'll leave that for another video. Alright? So when you're finished, you go ahead, you hit done. So here you can go to Google Maps. Here you can search for something on Chrome really quickly, check your email, or you'll be able to quickly check the weather. Alright guys, so to be eligible to win this 6-in-1 charger, all I need you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, and you have to be in the USA or Canada, okay? And we will ship this out to you for free. That's it. We will try to do at least 2 or 3 of these giveaways each month. So let me know if this one was useful, and see you back here for next customization.